Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 2, create a task. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Go to Applications. Go to All Applications. Scroll to the bottom to explore all the applications. Now go to Planner. Let's just wait for that to load. Let's click on a plan that we have created, which is Computer Science Videos. Now we should be able to add a task. If I now click on Add a Task, we should enter a task name. Let's just say create a video. Set due date. If we click on this, let's just set this for the 27th of September 2022. Assign for the admin, which is myself on this account. Now click on add task. And there we go. The task itself has now been created. We can change the task around if we wish to. That will be in the near future. So that's how you create a task within your planner. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.